Hello, welcome to Tech and Carry, the channel that transports technical solutions from the most basic to the most complex. And today I'll be talking about how in Windows 10 and Windows 11 PDF files are opening in Microsoft Edge, which is incorrect. PDF files should be opening in Adobe Reader, Adobe DC Acrobat, or Adobe Acrobat DC. So today I'll be demonstrating how you can change this from this issue of PDFs opening in Microsoft Edge to PDFs opening in its proper program. So the first method is right-clicking, open with, select choose another app, and then you choose your PDF program. And then click on this box, always use this app to open PDF files, and click OK. As you can see, the icon changes, and now this PDF file opens within Adobe Reader. Okay. The second method is to go straight to Adobe Reader. Open the program, and you'll be met with this prompt. Make Adobe my default PDF application. Select yes. Continue. Wait a few seconds, and you'll get this pop-up. Click on Change. Select Adobe, and click OK. Click Apply, then OK. Continue, close. And now, PDF files by default open with Adobe Reader.